Yo, homies, was just doing some laundry. This is my Cora Ball. Pulled it out to see exactly what microfibers this thing's been catching. And as you can see, it has collected some microfibers. They call this the Cora Ball because it was inspired by coral. Because coral will have these fingers with grips that'll, grab its food. Well, we can't design polyps, but this sure helps reduce our microfibers, which are plastic pollutions that go into our laundry and straight into our waterways. Sadly, the way adults make kids think about stuff like laundry and toilets and sink, they act like it's magic or something. But here's a reality flash, kids. It's not magic. Gandalf from Lord of the Rings is not running our sewer systems. When we say, well, our poop goes to a treatment facility plant, we don't even know what a treatment facility plant is, which is basically like a neat word for a cheesecloth, as far as there's no filter that takes out nutrients. There's no filter in our laundries unless you're using my Filtrol filter, which is about $150. This is only $35. But this makes it to where you can keep some of that nasty pollution out of our waterways. Because the second that these microfibers get into our waterways, our fish view this as food. And when the bait fish homies eat it, then the mangrove snapper eats it. And then the snook or the tarpon eats it. And then we eat the snook or the tarpon and so on. So this is a way to help combat pollution. Now, when you're done washing, you just start picking this stuff out. Like once it gets full, you pick these little balls out. Now, what I like to do with these, instead of just throwing them away, I put them in an ashtray and burn them. Because I don't want this to fall out of a trash can and just become the same pollution for a bird that I didn't want to be for a fish. A homie's a homie, right? So, I like to burn these things. Maybe we could start melting down our microfibers and use them for Christmas ornaments. Just an idea, thinking out loud. Pretty cool, though. Look at all that pollution we saved.